Ava, look at all the ice cream. There's blue. There's yellow. Ava, what color do you like? Purple. How do you make ice cream?
I make it with milk.
Milk? I have a delivery for you. Wait here. Oh. How do we make ice cream?
Milk.
Milk? Oh. Ah. Oh. 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 Ah. Ice cream.
Now, eggs. And chocolate.
Chocolate. Oh. 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 Tell me it's cold. It's cold.
Let's love sign. Cold. Cold. You sign. Cold. Good. Cold.
Oh, I can't wait to taste the ice cream.
Chocolate.
Oh, thank you. Ava, you have chocolate ice cream. What color is chocolate? Brown.
We have no spoons.
Spoons? My third delivery. Wait here. Spoons.
Spoons are too big.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Spoons. Well, I've had a great day, but now it's time to go. Thank you for all your help.
We're gonna find some butter. Joe, we need butter.
Ah, my second delivery. Wait here.
Where has he gone now? Thank you, Joe, but not a cow. We need butter. Cows make milk.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy,
Dazzy,
Day.
So we have to put it into little pieces, and then you're gonna try some? All in. Mix. Isn't it good? Joe, we need some eggs.
Wait here.
Takes a bit of time, but then you get really tasty scones. What are you doing? We've got eggs everywhere. Look at all these eggs.
There you are, Ozzy. I'm making scones. They're great. It's time to eat. Is that the pizza? But it's a ball.
It's not ready.
What do we do?
We have to roll the ball.
Now, can we cook the pizza?
No.
Aww.
Let's love sign. Cook. Cook. You sign. Cook. Good. Cook.
Cheese.
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 That's not the right cheese.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Dee.
Put it in the middle. Here, you get your cheese. Do you like that? What's the cheese taste like? What happened to my pizza? Now we have to cook the pizza.
Tough. We need a box for the pizza. My last delivery. This is for Aisling. A box.